HKAT Exam Series English Mock Papers 2017 to 2018 edition. Skills Tutorial Booklet. Track 1. Mum is talking to Joanna about their new helper. Listen carefully and answer question 1. You have 10 seconds to study the questions. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now. Joanna, we'll have a new helper next week. What's her name? Maria. Is she from the Philippines? No, she's from Thailand. Track 2. Candy and John are talking about visiting Ocean Park. Listen carefully and answer question 2. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now. John, let's go to Ocean Park on New Year's Eve.
Good idea. I'd like to visit the pandas, Onon and Kai Kai.
Me too. Shall we meet at 10 a.m?
It's too early. Shall we meet at 11 a.m?
Sure.